So if you're not making at least 1,000 USD, like $1,000 right now in 2025 from any of your social media platform every single month, like what are you doing? What are you doing if you're not making up to $1,000 every single month? Okay, let's even break it down for 1,000, at least $500 every single month coming from social media platform. Now the thing is, if you're not monetized, there are other apps that you can start making the same money from. And apart from other apps and website that you can make those money from, there are even live streaming apps that you can make this same money from. You understand? So you must not wait and say, oh, until I monetize on YouTube, that's the only way I can start making money. You don't need to wait. Like, there are different ways right now online that you can make money from apart from YouTube. And let me tell you something. Do you even know that you can even start making money from YouTube, like even before getting monetized? You can start getting influencing jobs before getting monetized. You can start earning directly, like from YouTube itself, before getting monetized. A lot of people have even started making money before getting monetized. Most of those things I don't even know, and that's what I'm telling you. Now you have a YouTube app. Since you have a YouTube app, you are always on YouTube. You have been posting videos. You've been doing everything you need to do, but still you are not yet monetized. Now this is what you need to do. If you see YouTubers exploring apps where you can make money, websites where you can make money, try those websites and apps and see. You understand? Now, if you're trying those websites and apps, you don't risk it all. Take, for example, if it's an app that you need to like invest, like a trading app, for example, that you need to invest before you start trading, you have to now do with something that is very little. You understand? Something that you know that, okay, let me just try this particular one and see. See, most of the apps and website I review, right? If I don't try them, I know they make sure they put even up to $20. You understand? The least I put like $10, and then I try to see if this thing working, and if it's working, I'll make sure that I withdraw my money first to be sure that, okay, I've withdrawn. Then the remaining gain that I've made from these particular apps, I will now use it and invest back, and then start using to trade or start using to do anything that I want to do. But a lot of you're not monetized. You're not even ready to try anything that can even give you something. You understand? You're not even ready to try anything that can even make, even if it's $1. Like I always tell people, right? $1 is very, very important to me. This $1 you're seeing is very, very important to me, and that's my mentality. Now, if you are not getting the money on that aspect, what of the live stream apps that you guys have been seeing that people have been talking about? Live stream apps where people live stream, make money. The goal is, don't say I can't do it. Don't ever say I can't do it, because the moment you say you can't do it, it is over. But you need to now start learning, what are these people doing? How are these people making money from these live stream apps? How do I start? What is the requirement? You understand? And the moment you start getting the requirement, what you need to use and start making money from these same apps and website, trust me, you will start making money. Why? You still made this money from YouTube because you saw this video from YouTube. So don't just be based in, if not until I'm monetized on YouTube, I'm not going to be making money. I'm waiting for YouTube to monetize me. Some persons have been on YouTube for the past 4-5 years and they are not yet monetized. And when I mean 4-5 years, I will not say these persons are not consistent. These persons are consistent. See, YouTube, right, is not by luck. It's just by you cracking that small thing that you know how to crack, which is the code. And the moment you crack that small code, everything is just going to set in place. Now, if you don't know how to crack the code yet, learn how to use this same YouTube to make money. You see, a lot of YouTubers do reviews. And see, I've personally seen a lot of people. In fact, someone chatted me up yesterday and she said, can you please drop me your account number? Let me just send you something to say thank you. Most of the website apps you've been reviewing, I've been making money from them. Now, if she did not test it, there is no way she is going to make such amount of money. If you still want to make money on YouTube again, without you even getting monetized, you see that your business that you have, advertise them on YouTube. That's your business that you have. Advertise them on YouTube. That's the mistake a lot of people make. They feel like YouTube is, oh, I must make money directly. I must make money directly. Let me tell you, 99% of people, including myself, right, that is making money from YouTube, all the money we make is not directly from YouTube. I can even tell you that there are some things I will do outside YouTube, right, that's even giving me money more than YouTube, but I'm getting all of those contacts, connection, and everything from this same YouTube. Now you have a business that you are doing. You have a business that you are in charge of. You have a business that is running, and you don't have any social media handle, but you have YouTube. Or you don't understand any social media handle, but you understand YouTube perfectly to that point that you know exactly what you need to do. Now, what do you have to do? You advertise them. You advertise those products that you have. You show people that you can also patronize me from YouTube. Let me give you an example of what happened. You see these my hairs that I've been wearing. I said it in one of my videos that most of these hairs that I've been wearing are from my sister's plug. I did it on my Facebook. I did it on YouTube. Just these two places. 2 persons called me from YouTube and they said I should connect my sister to them. That they want to get it, that the braid is very neat, the braid is this, the braid is that. And my sister has been thanking me. You understand? This is she getting people directly from my YouTube. They don't even know her. But because I've been able to advertise her products, they are buying from her. You understand? So you need to learn how to strategize. You need to learn how to start making money from YouTube even before getting monetized. There's a lot of things that you need to learn, especially this 2025. Because at the end of the day, if you don't learn this thing to put money on your table and start making even if at least 1,000 USD from YouTube, you understand? 500 from YouTube. You are just going to be suffering. You're just going to be in one place toying. In fact, let me pack my husband's lunch because my food is giving me sign already. I'll come back. It's many very small. There's still small this thing inside. The water to dry off. You understand? So learn how to make money from YouTube. Learn to start making money even before monetization. You get 99% of your YouTubers that you are seeing today, they are not only relied on YouTube salary and YouTube earnings. Check their life now. They are opening businesses up and down. They are investing, buying houses. Do you think they just got this money from social media only, like just from creating content only? No, they got this money from doing other things. Now, let me talk about this part again of making money. A lot of people now that are monetized on YouTube don't even know how to invest their money. All they do basically is, once the monetization don't enter, once they are seeing $100 today, alhamdulillah, they go ahead and spend and squander everything. At the end of the day, you're not even going to get results to account for and say, oh, this is what I actually did with my YouTube earnings. This is what I actually did with this particular money I made from YouTube. You learn investment as well. You are not going to end up in making money, right? You are also going to learn investment. Once you are getting this money, you invest so that this money can also reproduce another money. If there's any business you love to go into, and now you're making money from YouTube, right? You use those money and invest. I'm just going to be plain to you guys. You guys know me. I don't have any secrets. You get what I'm trying to say? As you are spending, because definitely you have to spend, you have needs to cater for. But as you are spending, you also learn to make investments so that those investments can bring more. So that those days that YouTube, you might not be meeting up to your threshold. My food. I'm done, guys. But I've not covered it so that, anyways, so that those days you are not meeting up to your threshold, or probably you are not getting money, right, from YouTube, you know that you already have something that you're falling back to. A lot of rich people go broke at some point because they lack investments. You understand? Why do you think that most of these rich people that are very, very successful, they keep going higher and higher? They keep looking for one way, one means or the other to still put out investment there, because they know the importance of investments. They know what it means for them to invest. So the earlier you start investing, even when you are making peanuts, the better for you. Start making money on YouTube before monetization. Start getting AdSense paycheck for yourself before monetization. And let me tell you guys, you know that when it comes to this AdSense of a thing, right? It's not only YouTube that pays on AdSense. You also can get your own website, your blogging website, and then you can also start getting paid using this same AdSense. So that's why even when you go to the AdSense end, if for those of you that are monetized, you see that there are some point that you need to change it to like YouTube for you to see the YouTube earnings from AdSense. You understand? From AdSense. So you don't need to just limit yourself in one place and be like, I'm not making money on YouTube. I'm not making money. You are already on the app. You're already exploring the app. So explore and enjoy it. Put out your adverts here. You understand? Try your possible best, get monetized. If you're monetized, try your possible best and start pushing out videos to get the coins. You understand? So you don't have any, you don't have any reasons to tell people that, oh, this is why you're not making it here. This is why you are still broke. This is why YouTube is still this. You're not yet monetized. You are giving up. You're not doing again. You're not doing this. You're not doing that. At the end of the day, now you go lose. Now you go lose. And I hope this video is able to help someone out there. If it does, let me know in the comment section. Let me go and hurriedly finish my husband's lunch pack. And I'll see you guys in my next one. I love you guys. Take care of yourself. And if you've not subscribed, subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye. I love you. Mwah.